Hello and welcome to the third part of our tutorial on Google Slides. In this video, we'll be showing you how to import templates from slidesgo.com into Google Slides. The first step of importing a template is to first sign into the website itself. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In or Login button found on the top right of the screen. You will then be greeted with this screen. You will then need to log in using your Google or Facebook account, but for this example, we will use Google. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Now that we have an account, we can start looking for a template we like. Every template has its own theme, and as you can see here, they are all unique in their own ways. We can even search for templates with specific theme. For this example, however, we will be searching for a school theme. After you find a template that you like, or fit the theme of your presentation, which in this case will be online notebook, click on the template, and you will see the download options for both PowerPoint and Google Slides. This video is to teach you about Google Slides, so we will be picking the Google Slides option. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to this tab. Click on Make a Copy, and there you have it, presentation with the template you chose. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye.